starting to get close to Christmas. It's the 23 today. We're gonna make a red cabbage salad. Red cabbage, onion, small apple, green broth, spirit vinegar, salt, pepper, and red wine. Look like a mess here today. We have been out for sightseeing on the island, but now we're gonna try to make some Christmas feeling on the boat. Cheers. Okay. Red cabbage salad. Swedish delicacy for the ribs, meatballs. Try to gonna get some ribs tomorrow. Closed today, Sunday. Sugar, spirit vinegar. Be careful with this. Strong as hell. And the most important that I think is to have real red wine. Now that was so good. Not much. Need more. This is really good. Simon Sig Pinotage from 2000. So maybe a little overkill to take this wine in, but if you have a bag-in-box, go for it. Albin reminds me always something.
Chicken or beef or?
No, it's vegetables. Hopefully we can have this and for Sailing Nadine and trade red cabbage to Swedish Christmas ham. We don't know yet, but we're gonna try. Sourdough bread. I have a little sourdough here. maybe have noticed when I'm talking in the camera, I said, I don't like it either. I'm gonna try not to say that as often. Flour. If you want to sheet a little bit.
If you want to shit.
Really good. This was dry yeast. I come back with this in a couple of hours. Let it grow a little bit. Exclusive.
Here you see.
The bread, pretty big. Sheeted a little bit with yeast. See if we can make some fraller. This
Tastes really good.
really good. The best I have made. What happened here?
More flour.
More flour. Bread is finished. Look like this. Put it in. You see the bread. Been in for 20 minutes now. The problem we have when we're trying to do bread in the oven with gas is all the heat comes from underneath, so it's very hot. It's hard to get good color on it, but tastes very good. Little breakfast tomorrow at Christmas morning. Merry Christmas.